Hello, Willie Stoltz here, used truck sales manager for Industrial Power Trucking Equipment. Today we're going to be doing a walk around on this 2023 Isuzu NRR 19.5 GVW. But before we jump into that walk around, we want to make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. So every time we put new product online, you'll be notified and you can take a look at it. This is a pretty unique piece we have here this morning. It is a 2023 Isuzu NRR. This truck is pretty much brand new. It doesn't have any miles on it, but it has been registered, so we're having to sell it as a used truck. It still has factory warranty left on it, so it is ready to roll. Let's take a look at the inside of the truck real quick. As we climb up into it, plenty of grab handles to get in. Being a cab Ford, we got that great outward visibility and upward visibility. Since this truck does not have a hood on it like a conventional, and even with the same size body on it, it's a smaller compact unit, so it's a whole lot easier for guys to maneuver. As you can see, this truck is a brand new truck. It has never been used before. We got a captain's chair for the driver, two across on the other side for a crew of three. This truck has an ADAS safety system on it. It does have an Alpine AM/FM stereo with a backup camera built into it that is hooked up. We've got air conditioning, AM/FM cruise control, so this truck is ready to roll. Let's take a look at the business into the truck real quick. A lot of people aren't aware of this, but Industrial Power has been an Isuzu dealer for over 30 years. So we know what it is to give service before, during, and after the sale of the truck. This particular truck is set up with a switch and go hoist system on it. It accommodates a 12-foot body system on it. We have a dumpster, high-side dumpster type box. We've got a low-sided landscape type body and a flatbed body available that you can buy one or multiple of these. Load them up on here, take them to your job site, drop them, go back, get another one, is what they're used for. It comes with the hoist system. It's got the winch on it to pull the containers up. I'll show you the control system real quick. The control plugs into the inside of the cab, and it is removable from the socket. You can store it where you need. You can go up and down. And it also has the controls to let the winch cable out to hook onto the unit and then draw the unit back on there and bring it back down. And it's always, even though this system does have this, this truck has this system on it, we can still wrap or decal the whole cab on this truck with your name, your graphics, your designs, driving that diesel, that fuel money into advertising money while your guys are driving up and down the road. Again, we have a really nice brand new, pretty much 2023 Isuzu NRR 19.5 GVW set up with the 12-foot switch and go hoist system. You can go to our website, iptruck.com, our Facebook page. While you're on the YouTube channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you'll be notified next time we put new equipment on. If you'll stick with us for a second, we're going to start this truck up, tilt the cab, and give you a little more intimate look at the truck. And as always, we appreciate your time.